Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic, because I gotta say, this is fantastic. This portable goalie that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say, number one, size wise, it is really big. It is 12 by 6. So I gotta say that I'm 5'10, I weigh 190 pounds, and you can see that this one it is almost a little bit taller than me, so 6 feet, but it is 12 feet long. So for practicing, if your kids are into soccer, if you're into soccer, or if you just want to have something really cool in your patio to play with your kids or something like that, this one would be fantastic. Because also the assemble process, I was blown away of how easy this was to assemble. The only thing you will have to do is, this is going to be the frame. The frame comes with the net already. Let me show you. So all that yellow part down there, and also that yellow part down there, and all the way to the frame, like to the base, it comes already set up. The only thing you will have to do is extend the base, and that's it. And then you will set up this frame over here, which you will pass through this kind of like fabric. And then you will do the same on the back, which, by the way, the back you're going to see that is combed, and is combed on purpose to absorb the shock, and of course to have some more impact absorption, I want to say. So you will be putting this one, that one, repeat on the other side, and you're all set. Trust me, this one is going to take you no more than 10 minutes. Guarantee no more than 10 minutes. And another cool thing is, as you can see over here, it also comes with an agility section that you can try with your kids to work on that agility test. Instead of just working on the goalie scales, you can actually work with this one for the agility. So I gotta say that this one is also really cool to have. But yeah, I don't have anyone to play with today, but I do gotta say that this one could be really awesome to have just in a patio, or like in a school, or if you are want to practice with your kids in your garden or something like that. You can do it without any issues. I think that this one, being so big, so wide, and also 6 feet tall, and so easy to assemble, and really good on resistance quality, both in the frame as well as kind of like right here on the net. And by the way, let me show you something that I don't want to forget. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. So it comes both with a bag, with kind of like, it's going to be a bag for the net and everything else. You can disassemble everything and put it just in a bag. And also it's going to come with 4 stakes, like metal stakes that you can put in the ground. Both are, all 4 are on the frames right now. So you can actually secure it to the ground even better. I got to say that this thing, I mean, I'm still surprised in how good it is, how big it is, how easy to assemble was. And then, of course, it also comes in different colors in case that your kids are more keen to some colors. Always also, you will have to in different colors as well. I like it. I think this is a really good one for practicing. Time to practice with your kids. Check it out. I do recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.